right here, I'm just going to go through quick mask in Photoshop and how we can quickly set up a mask, a layer mask, and work with that. So I'm just going to take this picture and bring it into another picture and overlay it and just line it up so they're together. And there I go. And they happen to be the same size, but that's really not the point of this, just to show what it could look like with a mask. So I'm just going to click on this layer. I'm going to add a quick mask. Now obviously there's other ways to add masks if you actually already have a selection, and you could always choose, if we have our properties open, there's also a selected mask up here. Select subject or remove background. You're actually creating somewhat of a mask as well. But in this situation, I just want to add a quick mask so I can actually start manipulating it, customizing it myself. So down here is the icon for that quick mask. And if I click on that, it automatically adds a layer mask. And all you see, it's white. So that means it's showing everything. Now, if I want to hide something, as we know, I click on the actual mask part, not the picture part, because you could actually select both. I can select on the mask, I'm working with the mask. If I select the picture, I'm working with the picture. But as soon as I select the mask, it automatically goes foreground black and background white, or vice versa. If I select the picture, it goes to my original colors that I had for the foreground and the background. So here I click on the mask and I could actually just start painting. I'm painting black, which means it's about to hide something. I'm just changing my brush size using my bracket keys on the keyboard. I could also right click and change it here, a size and hardness and the different styles, or go up to my control panel and do it there. So either way, I'm just going to start painting, and there I go. Now my current opacity is 100%, my flow is at 100%. That's what I get. So you can see a little bit of black there, and that's what's showing. I can undo that. Now, alternatively, if I don't want to add a white mask right away, I actually want to hide everything right away, I could actually hold on Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC, and obviously it goes black right away. So this way I could actually start painting white and bring back what I want to bring back and however I want to bring it back. Okay, so that's how that works in terms of a quick mask, quickly adding a mask, a layer mask, to a layer and then painting whatever you want on top of it. And that is a quick mask.